watching Eagle News America. I'm Basallaje in Los Angeles. Lancaster residents are saying a free COVID testing and flu shot site brought to their community by the Iglesia Ni Cristo or the Church of Christ in Los Angeles County has helped lessen their worries. EBC's Eva Basallaje with this feel-good story.
Lancaster, California is located along the northern fringes of Los Angeles County. For residents here, access to COVID-19 testing can often mean long-distance travel and waiting in lines, sometimes for hours. But thanks to a collaboration between the Church of Christ and Los Angeles County, members of this high-desert community receive free COVID-19 testing and flu shots, all without having to leave town.
What you're seeing today with the Church of Christ bringing people together and bringing the community together is an example of what is so precious up here in the Antelope Valley in Lancaster. It is an incredible place. It's called the High Desert, so it gets really cold, as you can see with our jackets, and it gets really hot. It's an amazing, amazing place.
I live a block away, and I was just going to get some breakfast, and here it was, and I asked him, you know, do I need an appointment? He's like, no, and I was like, is it free? And he's like, yeah, but they got my insurance information. But so I thought, since I was exposed a couple weeks ago, I might as well get tested, you know, so I don't give it to somebody else.
Back into the summertime, there wasn't any place to do it. You couldn't find a place. And so we wanted to test ourselves periodically just to see if something happened, even though we didn't have any symptoms. And this is terrific for the people because it's convenient, it's close to the area around here.
I am a special education secretary. I feel that it is important and very beneficial to know my status of if I, you know, am COVID-free, because I want to make sure that, one, my family is safe, and two, that my coworkers and the students that I work with at school, we know, you know, what my status is so that I am able to work there.
The flu vaccine and also the COVID-19 testing is free of charge. This is what the Church of Christ is all about. The things that we can share with our fellow men, making kindness contagious, serving the community, giving back to the community what is due.
The Church of Christ is leading by example, and it comes as no surprise to me because I know that they are very active in the community and they want to give back. And so, you know, today is just another example of the amazing work they do, both in the spiritual side, but also in the health side, helping LA County residents, especially up here in Lancaster, which has been hard hit. There have been many people impacted by COVID, especially economically. So, you know, the Church of Christ has really made a difference and is stepping up and helping us each and every day.
With more and more people receiving coronavirus inoculations, large-scale COVID testing events should start to thin out. When asked what they would do then, Church of Christ representatives told us that they are open to the idea of being a future host site for the administration of COVID-19 vaccinations.
Who knows, afterwards we might be having the COVID vaccine after this, you know, from the government too. And we're very much willing, the church, to serve the community.
In Lancaster, California, Eva Basallaje, Eagle News, we live in interesting times.
For our viewers around the world, Lancaster is a long-standing and bustling city, but it is a bit cut off from the COVID-19 testing, so having community COVID testing there is certainly a big service to them. Thanks, Eva, for the report. Arkansas